Want your tired, glitchy cells to beat the clock? Telomeres reset? Stress gone? Mitochondria partying like it's 2099? It's all about longevity, folks. Meet microbial superhero Bacillus F. These days when people say they're living with bacteria, they usually mean probiotics. Not so for the 3.5 million-year-old Siberian microbes that survived the Ice Age. So, in 2009, Professor Anatoly Brashkov asked, why not? He injected himself because what could possibly go wrong with ancient bacteria and a syringe? Since then, he's like a toddler on espresso, or a Russian scientist on a dare. Who knows? Maybe he's onto something. He hadn't caught the flu in 2 years. Scientists still don't know how this works. One 2024 study suggests it shields DNA from damage. It cuts cellular aging in half for mice. Fruit flies live longer too. But can we learn more about human aging from fruit flies than billion-dollar biotech labs? Perhaps, but never underestimate a bug with good PR. For the rest of us humans, we're still beta testing to hotwire the genome. Which means Big Pharma is never far behind. Case in point, remember Taxol, the anti-cancer drug, a great lifesaver, terrible price tag, up to $2,500 a month. But if Bacillus F is the Siberian fountain of youth, the price might freeze your bank account before it does your wrinkles. Aging used to be inevitable, like death and taxes. Now scientists are hacking biology like code. There's a lot to hack. Our bodies are full of lazy, glitchy, senescent cells. They sit around inflaming tissues and refuse to leave. And that's where senolytics come in, a cellular eviction squad kicking out our zombie cells for throwing wild inflammation parties. Scientists have discovered the protein OSR1, your cellular delete file button on overdrive. It cuts oxidative stress and keeps mitochondria humming. It's sort of like a firewall for your body from the inside out. But removing bad cells is just the start. DNA gets damaged. These days, CRISPR and Yamanaka factors can also reverse signs of aging. They basically hit Ctrl-Z on your genes, repair damage, and restore lost function. Next up, the Perovskite camera. Researchers at Northwestern U and Suzhou built a detector that spots individual gamma rays. It's faster, safer, and cheaper than traditional scans. It can see inside your body and catch diseases before they even start. That's doctor speak for your insurance company's about to have a meltdown. No radioactive fallout, no viral clickbait, no headlines local human turns into glow stick. And then there's your cell's battery pack, NAD+, mitochondria run on it, but as NAD+ declines, so does energy and repair. Enter supplements like NMN that can recharge your system. Within a decade, Harvard Dr. David Sinclair predicts an age reversal pill to clear junk cells, rewrite DNA, swap in spare parts, recharge mitochondria. Meanwhile, some cheap low-tech solutions work too. Vitamin D3 preserves telomere length. Even Grandma's $12 CVS bottle can turn back the molecular clock. Scientists are also watching nanobots cross the blood-brain barrier to treat Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, repair neurons, and deliver neuroprotective agents. The future of medicine promises highly precise, personalized interventions at the cellular level. AI whispers to proteins, genes toggle in worms, hyped-up immune systems. High-stakes longevity research is still going strong. Let's not forget Calico Life Sciences, Google's secret biotech side hustle, is quietly chasing human lifespan secrets. Founded in 2013, funded with billions, including a multi-billion-dollar collab with AbbVie, Calico is hacking aging itself, neurodegeneration, cancer, and all the other stuff we'd rather skip. Naked mole rats and C. elegans, scientists call them hairless, wriggling immortals. Creepy. Yes, they are the VIPs of longevity research. Definitely not pets you want to adopt. Big picture? Anthropic's CEO claims humans could double lifespan to 150 years within 5 to 10 years thanks to AI. So that's just awesome. Now we can outlive our pensions, 3 generations of student loans, and survive keeping up with the cryogenically frozen Cardassians, season 87. Big thanks to the labs pushing longevity: Singapore and Germany for AI, Copenhagen for OSER 1, Max Planck for aging switch worms, Washington State for telomere mice, the Vital Trial for vitamin D, and immune aging studies on identical mice. Science Daily and SciTech Daily. You rock. Here at Spin Reel News, we don't just watch the clock, we outrun it. Subscribe, stay curious, stay caffeinated, and remember, time is on our side. For now.